In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML code in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Shopify dashboard and how to safely add your own code to your theme. First, sign into your Shopify account and go to your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you see your orders, analytics, and sales overview. From here, we're going to work directly with your online store theme because that's where your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files live. On the left-hand side menu, click on Online Store. This will open the section where you manage themes, blog posts, pages, and navigation. The themes area should appear by default, showing your current live theme at the top. Next, look for the theme you're using right now. On that theme card, you'll see a button to customize, and usually just next to it, there are 3 vertical dots that open a More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu gives you access to deeper theme settings, including the actual code files. From the drop-down that appears, click on Edit Code. Shopify will now open the theme code editor. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with folders and files such as layout, templates, sections, snippets, assets, and so on. These are all the parts that make up your store's front end. Now decide where you want to place your custom HTML. This depends on what the code is for. For example, if you are working with layout changes, you might use a layout or section file. If you're adding styling, that would typically go into a CSS file, and for scripts, a JavaScript file. In many themes, such as the default ones provided by Shopify, you'll see a theme name like Dawn at the top of the file list, but the structure will be similar across most themes. To create a new file, look for the page or file icon, usually near the top of the file list. Click on this icon to add a new file to your theme. Shopify will prompt you to choose the type of file and to give it a name. Here, type a descriptive name followed by the correct extension. For HTML templates or liquid logic, use .liquid. For JavaScript, use .js. For styling, use .css. Keeping the name clear helps you recognize what the file is for later. Once your new file is created, paste or type in your custom code in the editor window on the right. Take a moment to quickly review it for any obvious typos, because small mistakes can sometimes affect how your store displays. When you're happy with the code you've added, go to the top right of the editor and click on Save. Shopify will process the changes and update your theme with this new file. After saving, it's a good idea to open your storefront in a new tab and refresh the page where the change should appear, just to confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. That's all you need to do to add custom HTML or other code to your Shopify theme,